Have you noticed it's getting harder to climb the stairs? Or maybe there's that quiet little worry in the back of your mind. What if I start to lose my independence? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But here's something most people don't realize. It's not always just aging. Sometimes your legs are simply running low on the right fuel, and they're asking for a little support. Now, what if I told you there are a few simple drinks, nothing fancy, probably already in your kitchen that can help? They don't just hydrate you. They can actually soothe sore muscles, ease those stubborn cramps, and even help your legs feel steadier and stronger. No expensive ingredients, no complicated routines, just easy everyday things that really work. And today I want to share 3 of them with you. One of them might already be in your fridge, and most people never realize just how powerful it really is. So stay with me until the end, because the last one usually surprises everyone. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? I always enjoy hearing from our community, so feel free to drop a comment below. And if tips like this are helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the little bell icon so you won't miss out on future videos that support your health and independence. All right, get comfy. Maybe grab a warm drink, and let's get started. Number 1, ginger tea. Picture this. It's the end of the day. You're sitting back, relaxing, and sipping on a warm, soothing drink. Right away, you feel the tension start to melt away. That's the gentle power of ginger tea. Ginger tea is a traditional drink that's been used for centuries in Eastern medicine. But this isn't just any warm drink. It's a natural remedy that can be especially helpful for your muscles and joints, particularly as we get older. So why is ginger tea such a game changer for your legs and feet? Well, ginger contains gingerol, a well-known compound with strong anti-inflammatory properties. It's been studied quite a bit, and researchers have found that chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons we deal with muscle soreness, stiffness, and slow recovery as we age. Gingerol has been shown to help lower inflammation markers, something that's especially valuable for older adults. When used regularly and in the right amounts, ginger may help ease pain in the knees and ankles, boost circulation in your legs, and support muscle recovery after physical activity. It can even help you maintain joint flexibility, especially when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Here's how to make a cup of warming ginger tea. Warm up 1 cup of water. In a small saucepan, add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon for flavor and extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup if you like. Sip slowly and let the warmth spread through your body. Ginger tea is a lovely evening drink. It's relaxing. It helps your body unwind, and it even supports better sleep, which is key for recovery and healing. Like most natural remedies, the real benefits come with consistency. Many people start noticing a difference after just a few weeks of making this a daily habit. Be patient and pay attention to how your body responds. Try making a cup of ginger tea tonight and let me know how it feels in the comments below. Number 2, mineral broth. Now, let's talk about our second drink, mineral broth. This isn't just any old soup. It's a time-honored drink that's packed with nutrients to help support your legs and feet. Mineral broth has been used for generations across many cultures. It's made by simmering vegetables and herbs, usually carrots, celery, and leafy greens, for several hours. This slow process draws out minerals from the vegetables and herbs. So, how does mineral broth help your feet? Well, when vegetables are simmered for a long time, minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium are released into the broth. As we get older, our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing nutrients, and that can lead to weaker muscles and joints. Drinking mineral broth regularly gives your body easy-to-absorb minerals to help with muscle function and joint support. Many people find that when combined with a balanced diet, It helps them move more freely and stay active longer. People find that when combined with a balanced diet, it helps them move more freely and stay active longer. The best part, you can make this right at home, and it's easier than you might think. Place chopped carrots, celery, onions, and leafy greens into a large pot. Add water and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It helps pull more minerals from the vegetables. Let it simmer gently for 3 to 4 hours. Strain out the vegetables and enjoy a warm, nourishing cup. Mineral broth has a light, savory flavor that feels comforting and deeply satisfying. You can season it with a little salt, pepper, or fresh herbs, whatever suits your taste. Many folks enjoy sipping mineral broth in the morning or as a warm, soothing drink before meals. So far, we've talked about ginger tea and mineral broth. Both are wonderful for supporting joint comfort and muscle recovery. But there's one more drink on our list that nutrition experts say could be a real game changer, especially when it comes to keeping your legs strong as you age. Recent studies show that when your body gets enough potassium and magnesium, your muscle cells work more efficiently. This means fewer cramps, faster recovery, and better muscle strength overall. And the number one drink we're about to talk about contains just the right balance of both. While ginger tea and mineral broth help reduce inflammation and provide essential nutrients, this next one supports how your muscles actually function day in and day out. Number 3, cherry and coconut smoothie. And now we've come to drink number 3. A simple yet powerful blend supports strong, healthy leg muscles as we age. This cherry and coconut smoothie brings together key nutrients your muscles need to stay energized and balanced. You've probably heard the advice, eat cherries to reduce inflammation. And there's real science behind that. But when you pair cherries with coconut, you get even more benefits. Cherries are naturally rich in antioxidants, compounds that play a key role in reducing inflammation and supporting recovery. A lot of seniors experience leg pain and stiffness, and that can sometimes be linked to inflammation in the muscles and joints. Keeping inflammation levels low may help your leg muscles function properly and reduce the risk of those persistent aches and pains. Now, let's talk about coconut. This tropical treasure is packed with medium-chain triglycerides, healthy fats that provide quick energy to your muscles. Antioxidants and healthy fats are both essential for healthy muscle movement. But coconut brings more to the table. It also provides electrolytes, which are important for helping you maintain proper hydration and muscle function as you get older. Plus, the natural sugars in the cherries, along with fiber from both the cherries and coconut, give you steady energy so your muscles stay fueled throughout the day. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. Blend 1 cup of frozen cherries with 1 cup of coconut milk. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for an extra nutrient boost. Sprinkle in a little cinnamon if you like. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is not only nutritious, it's also really tasty. Breakfast or after a walk or light workout. When you combine this smoothie with the other 2 drinks we talked about, ginger tea and mineral broth, you're giving your body a well-rounded mix of nutrients that support your legs from the inside out. And don't forget, taking care of your feet and legs isn't just about comfort. It's also key to staying independent and enjoying a good quality of life as you grow older. While these 3 drinks can be incredibly helpful for keeping your legs strong and healthy, it's important to enjoy them in moderation and always consider your personal health needs. Let's start with ginger. It's well known for its anti-inflammatory benefits, but taking too much can sometimes upset your stomach or interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners. If you're on anticoagulants or have digestive issues, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before making ginger a daily habit. And since some people can be sensitive to ginger, it's best to start with a small amount and see how your body responds. Mineral broth, though rich in nutrients and minerals, can sometimes be high in sodium if you add too much salt. That might not be the best fit if you're managing high blood pressure or kidney issues. If that's the case, go for a low-sodium version, or make your own at home without added salt so you can control what goes in. If you're on a special diet or need to limit certain minerals, check in with a dietitian about how much mineral broth is right for you. As for cherries, they're full of natural sugars, which can affect your blood sugar levels if you have diabetes or insulin resistance. Enjoy the smoothie in moderation and try pairing it with a little protein or fiber to help slow down sugar absorption. And don't forget, some seniors may be allergic to coconut or other tropical foods. If that's you, feel free to swap them out for other sources of healthy fat and protein like almond milk or yogurt. Most importantly, always listen to your body. If you have any medical conditions or concerns, it's best to check with your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet. These drinks are meant to be part of a well-rounded approach to wellness, not a cure-all. A healthy lifestyle includes gentle exercise, good sleep, and a balanced diet. To get the most out of these drinks, try combining them with a few simple daily habits that support leg strength and mobility. Want to take your leg health to the next level? In our upcoming video, we'll reveal 5 habits to prevent nighttime leg cramps, science-backed activities to improve circulation, and prevent cramps as you age. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss these game-changing tips. Now, it's your turn. Have you tried any of these drinks before? Or is there one you're excited to start with? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what's worked for you or what you're planning to try. I truly believe that age is just a number. What really matters is how we feel and how much we can still enjoy the things that bring us joy. Whether it's chasing after the grandkids, going for a walk in the park, or cooking dinner for the whole family without feeling worn out. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our simple, practical health tips made especially for this golden stage of life. Here on Golden Vitality, we share easy, down-to-earth ways to help you stay active, independent, and full of energy, so you can keep making special memories with the people you love. And remember, the golden years aren't just about adding years to your life. They're about adding life to your years. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next